Good morning from the American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. Beautiful sunny day down here today. We've got a 1970 Torino Cobra Jet car out. It's a bright gold. It's got a ginger turpin interior in it. This is a 429 car with a 4-speed. These 429 motors, they offered the RPO on them was a drag pack, which combined a lot of parts in the car. You got forged aluminum pistons in the motor, 4-bolt mains. You got the good camshaft in it. Had competition suspension. They put a 4-speed behind that simply because they didn't offer an automatic in it. You had to get the 4-speed car. Goes into a 430 traction lock rear end. Along with that package, you had to get the 15-inch wheels, which, you know, puts a little more rubber on the ground to hold the big motor. They advertise these things at 370 horsepower at 5,400 RPMs. Now, you car guys know they twisted these things 7,500, 7,800 RPM. So that was real conservative on Ford's part. A big reason for that, EPA was starting to look at them pretty hard. Insurance companies were looking at them real hard. High horsepower, light cars. Anyway, this was the package you got. They engineered these close ratio 4-speeds so that it optimized the RPM, horsepower, and torque values of this 429 Cobra Jet. Believe me, they had the torque and they would run. The cars showed up on the drag strips. If you'll notice, they've got a really nice flow to them. Aerodynamically, they produced it. They whip off this back here. They got just a little riser in the back. Picks that air up. This particular car with the drag pack has the big exhaust on it, competition suspension. This is just a really nice example of a 1970 Torino. If you guys out there have any questions, email us, either one of us. We'll try to get back to you, answer your question for you. And as always, thanks again for watching.